How to get your Cash App account unlocked. I'm going to show you how you can easily get your Cash App account unlocked. To unlock your Cash App account, the easiest way is to contact Cash App support directly. First, use the in-app chat feature by tapping your profile picture, then selecting Support and Get Started. Here, you can message support instantly. Alternatively, email support@cash.app from the address linked to your account and explain why your account was locked. You can also call 1-855-949-7782 to speak with support staff. Make sure to have your account details ready when you call. Be patient and polite, and calmly explain your issue until it's resolved. If you appeal the lock, request an account review. In the app, go to your profile, then Settings, and look for Appeal or Account Review. Explain why you believe the lock was a mistake, and be honest. Submit any evidence, such as screenshots, to support your claim. You might need to re-verify your ID if requested. Allow 1 to 3 days for Cash App to review your request. Cash App locks suspicious accounts but typically unlocks valid ones within 24 to 48 hours. Check for a lock notification from the Cash App to estimate your unlock time. Do not try to bypass the lock manually. Simply wait patiently. If it takes longer than 48 hours, contact support again. To avoid future account locks, follow these guidelines. Adhere to Cash App's rules. Avoid entering your password incorrectly multiple times. Do not dispute charges from your Cash App account. Use Cash App only on non-jailbroken devices. And enable all available security features, such as PIN codes. The bottom line is that with some simple troubleshooting, you can easily get your locked Cash App account reopened. Just contact their support team, submit an unlock request, or wait for automated reactivation. Stay calm and patient, and you will be back up and running in no time.